In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate lanes on Waze 2026, step by step. To get started, open Waze and go to the main navigation screen. This is where you'll set up your route and allow the app to guide you in real time. If you're using the mobile app, make sure your location services are enabled so Waze can accurately detect where you are and provide the most relevant directions. Once you're already on the driving directions screen, you'll be able to prepare your trip properly. This part is important because lane guidance in Waze is tied directly to active navigation. In other words, Waze won't usually show lane information as a separate feature that you manually browse. Instead, it appears during a route when the app recognizes that you're approaching a more complex part of the road. Next, enter your starting point. If Waze already detects your current location correctly, you may not need to type anything here. But if you want directions from a different location, go ahead and manually enter the place you're starting from. Being accurate here helps Waze calculate the route correctly and improves the chances of getting the right lane guidance at the right time. After that, enter your destination. Type in the place you want to go and select the correct result from the list. Once both your starting point and destination are in place, Waze will build your route and begin preparing turn-by-turn navigation. This is the foundation for seeing lane suggestions later in the drive. Now here's the key thing to understand. Waze provides automated lane guidance for complex roads, highways, and major junctions. There isn't a manual search tool where you can simply look up lane layouts in advance inside the app. Instead, Waze intelligently determines when lane guidance is needed based on your route and your position as you travel. As you continue following the route, lane guidance will automatically appear at the top of your map when you get close to complicated intersections, highway exits, split roads, or roundabouts. This guidance is designed to help you stay in the correct lane before your next move, which can make driving much less stressful, especially in unfamiliar areas. A good tip here is to keep your route active and pay attention to the top portion of the screen as you approach busy road sections. That's where Waze usually displays the lane indicators. Also, make sure your app is updated since map accuracy and lane guidance features can improve over time. And that's how to locate lanes on Waze. The main thing to remember is that lane guidance is automatic, route-based, and shown when you need it most.